Hello and welcome to Crypto News.
Today is the 18th of March, 2023.
And the top news about crypto is as follows. We start with Bank of America, which is rumored through Twitter to want to acquire Signature Bank. Which is not far from the truth. However, I would remind you that Signature Bank had a network of that moved money from exchange to exchange and from company to crypto-friendly company. And this technology will move into the traditional financial sector now. And beyond that, we learned that the parent company of Silicon Valley Bank, which is called Silicon Valley Bank Finance, is unfortunately bankrupt and has gone into Chapter 11 to be protected by the authorities. And from this collapse, Bitcoin is just happy and it continues to rise. We'll see in a moment. And we're going to go to Fidelity, and one of the largest asset managers in the world, which again through Twitter is rumored to be considering starting cryptocurrency transfers. More generally, as you have already figured out in the crypto market, we are running out of any crypto-friendly network and transfer money for exchanges and cryptocurrency-friendly companies. So Fidelity just sees this huge gap that exists in the market and tells you here we are, I can exploit that. And let me remind you that Fidelity is cryptocurrency-friendly because a few days ago from the Crypto News we learned that it has officially opened its own cryptocurrency exchange. We'll move on to U.S. banks, which is borrowing $164.8 billion from the Fed's backstop. This money, as we know it, was borrowed to deal with the liquidity crisis they have in America. Because there isn't an American as we speak who isn't running to get his money out of any bank in America. Because everyone is afraid of the 2008 crisis. And what's worse is that in 2008 they borrowed $154 billion. And now it has lent out far more than you see. So that's why everyone is terrified in America, and rightly so, as you can see. We'll move on to our exchanges and go to Binance, who are even more so with their own stable coin, the BUSD. And now we hear that Sapphire will replace BUSD with TUSD and USDT. So those of you who hold BUSD might want to consider changing this stable coin. Because as I've said before in previous episodes, Binance doesn't even support it anymore. And we'll also go to FTX. We learned a little bit more numbers on how much it owes overall. Well, FTX.com owes $10.6 billion. FTX US owes $87 million. So in total, Mr. Sam's entire group owes $11.6 billion. And it looks like he has $4.8 billion in cash. But there are still lawsuits going on, and they are still looking to see what happens to this gambling empire. So we're going to go to the last news of the day, and we're going to go to Helium, which unfortunately the price has plunged over 23%. And the main reason for that is that it's being delisted from Binance. So those of you who have Helium within Binance have until the 23rd of the month to remove it from Binance and take it to another exchange. Because Binance will no longer support that token. We will also go to the crypto market, which is anodyne, as I said at the beginning of the episode. Because all the banks seem to be failing. So Bitcoin and the crypto market seems to be a lifeline out of the crisis we're going through, and maybe the biggest crisis to come.
And that was the top news for crypto. Today, 18th of March, 2023.
Let me remind you that the content you watch, it's content created for educational purposes only. And in no way constitutes investment advice, only investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment, which comments can be replied to at the end of the episode. Be well everyone, have a good day.